Hi everyone! So today I'm going to do a Get Fit With Me episode. This is the first episode. I talked about them like 2 weeks ago, but I never got to making them. But yeah, today I'm going to do another one, or my first one. So I ran yesterday and I was planning on running today, but as you can see, that's not gonna happen. Or at least not now. It's really windy. It's been windy all week, and I mean, wind is fine as long as it's not too much wind, you know? But rain, I'm not running when it's raining like this. Fuck no. But I made breakfast instead. So I started off with my Voss bottle of water, and then I ate some dates, and then I went downstairs and made a smoothie. This is 5 bananas, a little bit of mango, we didn't have any, so I had to mix raspberries, and that's why it's like really ugly, and a bunch of spinach because we have a lot and it's gonna go old if I don't use it. And then use some almond milk and some water. I don't like almond milk though, but we didn't have any other, and I wasn't thinking, you can just use water. Then, since it is cold in here and I'm drinking a smoothie, I prepared some tea. I tried tea yesterday. I love tea. Or I want to love tea. But this is caffeine free because I don't want any caffeine in my diet. So yeah, I am just going to go on my computer. I think I'm going to go on Tumblr because this is my second glass because 5 bananas won't fit in this. But I drank my first one really fast. It kind of makes you feel, I don't know, unsatisfied when you're done if you've been drinking so fast. Like yesterday, I had a smoothie with 5 bananas and a bunch of mango and a bunch of spinach and chia seeds. And I drank that really fast. So when I was done, I was like, I want more. So I made another smoothie with 3 bananas too. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go on Netflix. I don't even like Netflix, but... Oh, and something weird has been happening. Oh, sad, okay. But I am gaining so fast on YouTube. Like yesterday, I gained almost 342 subscribers. I mean, it's crazy. Thank you all so much. Look at this. It went from here, really bad, to all the way here. And I've already gained 43 subscribers today. My God. Okay, so I watched on Netflix and TVH. It wasn't fun at all. So I think I'm gonna go out and play some Until Dawn. I think it's so fun to play horror games. I love everything horror games, horror movies, horror books, everything. So I think I'm gonna do that. Then I'm going to finish my DIY. It's gonna be real cute. I'm just waiting for it to be a little bit lighter if it happens. I don't know. I'm planning on buying studio lights for the winter time because honestly it will be needed. I know it doesn't look like it, but I also got ready kind of. I didn't put on makeup because I don't want to. But other than that, I got ready. So let's play. Still really rainy, but I think I'm gonna go out and run anyway later because I just feel good. It just feels so good. And it kind of feels weird to be home all day, you know? I feel like such a gamer. Yay! What the fuck? Cute. I will see if these fit on my new collection because I'm literally so excited for fall. I think I'm going to start my fall series early. But okay, this is my new theme. So I got this picture, and this picture. Yeah, should I just put them up? They don't fit. This maybe fits. It really doesn't. Maybe I should just keep it like this. It's more simple. It's nicer. I like it. It's raining again. I was literally just like, oh, it stopped raining. Great weather. What should I do now? Maybe I should film this because I get it done. Yeah, I'll film this and then I'll film the orange. You'll know what I mean later. And then I'll edit because it's going up today. I'm literally gaining so fast. Oh my god, what the hell? And my video, my back to school morning routine, it's also gaining extremely fast. It had, I don't know, but it's gaining views really fast. On every every morning routine, people be like, oh my god, how can you have time for that? Like, I don't even have time to eat. Wake up earlier. So it's about, what time is it? 12:27. I'm about to go and eat lunch. I did have some dates earlier, but that was a while ago. I think an hour or two. An hour ago. I also made these oranges for a video, and I was planning on eating them, but they are not very good. So I think I'm gonna have to throw them away, which is sad, but okay, so I'm drinking. Is that even a word? Drinking? Probably not. My rice is cooking. My vegetables are cut. I made some hot water for my tea. Which tea should I get? I do not want caffeine though. I want caffeine free. This one is so good, but it contains caffeine, so no thank you. I don't like it when they don't say if it's caffeine free or not. I really want to taste this one, but it contains honey, but it says Manuka honey flavor, so I don't think it's actual honey in it, just the flavor, which is unnatural, but I don't know. Nice, caffeine free. I have no idea how this is gonna work out, but yeah. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm gonna add some nutritional yeast as well. Nice. I'm watching Clueless because it's like a movie you have to see, and I haven't seen it, so I'm just like trying to watch it, but it's really, really, really bad. And it's done, thank God.
If they had it. Fuck you, Yogurtland! Okay, first hack. Okay, so this is a sex toy hack. Now listen, I have tried.
This video is the best fucking video I've ever watched.
Out of everything I could find in the kitchen. When my rabbit died, my first thought was, I could fuck that. I didn't though.
Please watch it, I love it.
But the one thing I did not try was the grapefruit vagina. So how that works is you take the grapefruit and then you cut a hole into it, about the size of your penis, and then you put it in the microwave for 10 seconds, and it should be just warm enough, and then you fuck it. And then you think real long and hard about why you're alone and you're fucking produce. But we're not gonna do that part. We're just gonna make it. Okay, so I don't have a knife because I don't trust myself. And it's just perfectly small enough for me. All right, I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 10 seconds, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got my pussy and she's hot. If your parents just walked into the room, hi. Alright, I'm gonna put my finger in it first because I wanna like make sure it's not too hot before I like stick my dick in it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna stick my dick in it. Stay tuned. Let's just put a little finger. Oh my god, that is nice. This is why we don't need people. I could just fuck this. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, listen to it. And the fact that like 13-year-old users are getting more ass than I am makes me sad. But this is exactly what it sounds like. Except there's more like, ow, wait, no, okay, no, not like that, ow, okay, stop, Shane, what did I tell you? It's crooked, which means it's weird, and I don't like it. Softer, okay, like that. Shane, where are you going? Shane, if we finish, we can go get pizza after.
This is the best video I've ever seen, I love it. So I'm kind of like just looking at my vlog channel, and TBH, I really should start vlogging again. I loved vlogging. Why don't I keep vlogging? I mean, I want to have time to do other things. I want to have time to do other things, but I mean, vlogging is so easy. And editing a vlog is so easy. It takes like 30 minutes. And if it brings people happiness, and if it brings me happiness, then of course. I often get like, not upset, but like, yeah, a little bit like, okay, you know, like that, because there is this Swedish YouTuber, and no shade thrown on her or anything, she's great, but she often goes on these like video things, like she posts a lot in like a week, like every day for a week, and everyone is like, oh my god, how do you do that? You're so amazing, you're such like, it's great that you think she's amazing and all, but editing a video, a vlog, she's only posting vlogs, editing a vlog takes 30 minutes. It's nothing hard, and I mean, people should start vlogging every single day. The people who says that vlogging every single day is hard, it's really, really not. The only thing that gets hard is the fact that it gets boring. That's the only thing. So don't get fooled by all these YouTubers saying, oh my god, it's so hard to post a video. It's really not. Absolutely not. Especially if you have YouTube as your job. Posting once a week is a minimum. It's not hard at all whatsoever. The only thing that's hard is the fact that it could get boring. You know what I mean? Yeah, that was my little rant. Okay, the next thing I wanted to talk about, I'm about to edit a video, a life hacks video that I actually enjoyed filming. I don't really like life hacks videos, but this one, I like this one. This intro is literally the best intro I've ever filmed. It went so smooth. The real struggle to find a song for my intro. I literally can never. What the fuck? I have to go to bed. Kinda hungry, kinda not. Let's go eat. What? Let's go eat something. It's actually pretty outside. Should I go for a run or should I just save myself for tomorrow? I gotta finish this video first, then we can run if that's the case. I do not like almond milk, but whatever. So I kind of forgot that I decided to not eat cereal anymore. So I made myself some oatmeal and I had a few more dates because dates are life. I don't even know what I did before I ate dates. It's like, what? Yeah, I'm just having some oatmeal. I literally love oatmeal right now. Love. Okay, so I just finished my video, so it's completely done, thank God. It's about 7, I think, and I'm gonna make some dinner now. I am going out with my friend in just a few minutes, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and drink some water, not too much because I have to pee like a billion times, and we're going to be outside, so I mean I don't feel like it because I'm wearing jeans and all. Oh my god, thank God I didn't put that. I was about to put the camera here, but it's like wet. Okay, I think I'm just gonna eat oatmeal because it's quick, filling, and tastes amazing. Okay, I think I'm gonna okay, what? What am I doing? I think I'm gonna prepare the oats in this bowl just so I can fit more. Yeah, life's good. Life is good. I'm so happy today. I don't know. It's just, I'm living. I think it's just because yesterday I was just realizing stuff. This is a year of just realizing things. But you know, I was just, I was just realizing stuff. I am a big believer in like, what is it called? The law of attraction. I'm a big believer. I believe in that shit to 100%. And I feel like I've just been trying to be a lot more positive lately about how I look, how I feel, YouTube, all that stuff. And yesterday at night, it was late at night, I was going to the bathroom for a personal reason. You do not have to know that. I hate myself, okay. But you know, I was just looking at myself and I'm just realizing, oh my god, my skin is getting clearer, my mood is getting better, my teeth are getting whiter. I mean, everything that I have been trying to get more positive about happened yesterday night. I was just realizing. I realized that I feel so confident, I look so good in my own body. I just love it so much. This morning it was kind of not the same feeling, but whatever. Yesterday night I felt so good. I felt good in my body, I felt good in my hair, my skin, every single thing. And on top of that, I am gaining so much subscribers on YouTube. Like, it's not really that much compared to others, but to me, compared to before, it's a huge difference. And I am so freaking happy about it. I just realized it's yesterday. I love it. I love life. I'm not sure if I mentioned it before. I don't make my oatmeal on like the stove or in the microwave anymore. I usually just heat up some hot water and I make it like this. It makes it so much better. I just love it. I'm gonna add some blueberries. This is for a back to school snack ideas, vegan. I have these blueberries. I like them, but I might want these. These are so good. Good. I'm gonna take these, but we have blueberries here. We have literally 2 empty packets because I'm too lazy to like recycle. Yeah. I wouldn't really say oatmeal is the ideal dinner. It's really great if you want to have like something quick because it is just so good. I just love it, but it's not ideal. But it is so good and it's so quick and it's easy to make and it fills you up. So, I mean, why not? I would like to have like rice and beans, but you know, that takes like an hour for me. My vlog game has just been so strong today. I love it. Eat your oats. Ladies, eat your oats. Oats are just so good for you. They're so healthy, so good, so amazing. I just love them. Hey guys, what's up? I totally forgot I was vlogging, but I'm here now. I was out with my friend for like 3 hours. We were just hanging out outside, just going around. So when I came home, I was kind of hungry. So I had another bowl of oatmeal. I love oatmeal. It's the best thing ever. I think I'm going to... Oh, water. Stay hydrated. I think I'm going to end the vlog, or I think I am, because I'm going to bed. And I'll talk to you. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Yeah, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.